What is going on, everybody? Welcome in, welcome in. Let's start with some news. Today in crypto, U.S. authorities have proposed a plea deal for Eric Council Jr., who is accused of helping hack the Securities and Exchange Commission's X account in January of 2024. Ether exchange traded products, or ETPs, have accumulated more inflows over the past trading week than Bitcoin. The markets dropped following news of President Donald Trump's planned steel and aluminum tariffs. Wow, what a way to start. What a way to start. Anyways, I didn't even realize that the SEC's X account got hacked, so that's kind of amazing. Didn't know that. What's up, Brad? How you doing today? Welcome in. Welcome in. All right. Alleged hacker behind the fake SEC post could forfeit $50,000 in plea deal. I feel like that's a really easy let off. $50K? That's not that bad. Because, you know, that's... Anyways, U.S. authorities have proposed a plea deal argument for Eric Council Jr., the individual who allegedly helped compromise the SEC's X account on January 24th, 2024, and February 9th, filing in the U.S. District Court of District Columbia. Federal prosecutors proposed a forfeit order to that could be required counsel to pay $50,000. He personally obligated. So, him personally. Depending on what he does for work, that could be a year's worth of wages. That is absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Anyways, moving along. So the Ether ETPs outpaced Bitcoin and crypto inflows for the first time in 2025. I mean, we're in the second month and 10 days in. What's up, Porky? May I have ABT and Ondo? Sure, we're already going to be looking at Ondo today, but I'll throw in ABT. I got you covered, DZ. I got you covered. All right, so cryptocurrency exchange traded funds, products, whatever, posted a fifth consecutive week of inflows totaling 1.3 billion, with Ether-based ETPs seeing the largest inflows. Ether ETPs accumulated 95% more inflows than Bitcoin. ETPs in the past trading week recorded a massive 793 million worth of inflows, coin shares reported on February 10th. That is absolutely insane. You want DGen also? Got you. DGen. Got you covered on DGen. Alright. The spike in the ETP's activity came as Ethereum tumbled below $2,700 on February 6th, leading a significant buying on weakness. Well, that's actually great. They're buying on the weakness. Very nice. Can we take a look at Congo? Sure. We'll check out Congo. We'll check it out. Alright. So that's great. The Ethereum ETPs are coming in. But on top of that, what was happening on X was people were reporting the amount of shorts on Ethereum are astronomical. So highest amount of shorts on Ethereum ever. So it's kind of a big deal. Hey bro, first request B3. I got an X on it earlier, but bought back at 007. Didn't B3 literally just get listed on Coinbase? Like literally? We'll check it out. We will check it out. Noted today, the list that I want to bring to you guys is going to be the coins that WFI or WLFI are holding. James, can you look at MGC1? MGC1. Alright, gotcha. Can't believe I'm bag holding gold. I mean, hey, gold's doing well, so it makes sense. Makes sense. Yes. Okay, gotcha. Blake Smith, gotcha. Alright, let's just get through the news real quick and then we'll go on from there. Representative Waters calls for support on bipartisan stablecoin legislation. Well, that's good. California Representative Maxine Waters has called for lawmakers in the House of Representatives to support a bill drafted in the previous session of Congress governing payment stablecoins. I don't see a problem with that. About time we're getting regulation. And this is coming from a Democratic side. That it's bipartisan. That's great. February 10th, notice Rep. Waters suggested that a 2024 stablecoin bill drafted by the House Financial Services Committee Chair Patrick McHenry and her staff members would be preferable to other legislation proposed by lawmakers in the 119th session of Congress. According to the California lawmaker, the bill represented 3 years worth of work to craft bipartisan stablecoin legislation. 3 whole years and they couldn't get anything done? But they managed to ban TikTok within 6 months? How? Whatever. It included closing loopholes for issuers to circumvent U.S. laws by operating abroad and barring certain convicted barring certain convicted fraudsters from working at senior level at stablecoin firms. Oh, so they just want to control it more. Got it. More reasons to buy Bitcoin. That's all I'm seeing right there. Interesting. Here I thought they wanted people to buy U.S. treasuries. Guess not. Oh well. Let's move right along. Push for clarity on stablecoins. They're all over the stablecoin thing. I don't really care. Top 15 crypto conferences to mark your calendar. Sure. So we got the World Economic Forum annual meeting. That is going to be January 20th to the 24th. That's actually one that you might want to pay attention to. You got Leap. It's out in Saudi Arabia this year, February 9th to 12th. You got Consensus out in Hong Kong, February 18th to 20th. Not bad. XRP on the move. Grayson. I guess we'll have to check out some XRP. Which also I realized, World Liberty Financial, they do not hold XRP, which I did find kind of funny. I'm not even joking. I started laughing when I noticed that. I was like, wow, they don't hold XRP. Anyways, ETH Denver. So in Denver, Colorado, we got February 23rd to the 2nd. All right, so on and so forth. You guys can look this up yourself. It's, oh my God, there's so many. There's even one Web Summit in Portugal. That's crazy. Solana revenues outpace Ethereum layer 2s despite market dip. That's great. Link and ADA. We will be looking at Link already. I will throw ADA into the mix, Brad. I will throw ADA into the mix. That was a good XRP video this morning. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it, Blake Smith. It's funny, a lot of people really didn't like the short that I made about XRP, which also tells me, I guess people don't realize Ripple has multiple products that they sell to banks. Only one of them requires them to use XRP. They have the option of using XRP for the other 3, but yeah, I'm gonna buy some B3, let it dump. That's pretty funny. Alright, the Solana network continues to generate more revenue than Ethereum despite a cooling cryptocurrency market and a slowdown in retail trading activity, according to data from DeFi Llama. That is a shame. Damn. The outperformance is even more pronounced among the network's applications, which revenues from Solana apps exceed rival Ethereum apps by as much as 10-fold. Crypto researcher Alo noted in a February 10th post on X platform. Sweet. Defo. Love the news shorts. Oh, I'm glad you enjoy it. There's somebody out there that's just hitting dislike to like all of them, so who knows? Who knows how people really feel about it? Anyways, meme coin frenzy. We don't care about that. But post-election trading surge bullish for Coinbase earnings. Okay, makes sense. Oh yeah, Coinbase has their earnings this week, don't they? Interesting. All right, let's move along from this. Let's go into the TA. So right now, I cannot deny it anymore. Bitcoin is broken out of this lower time frame downtrend. We are broken out on both occasions here. So we're broken out on both occasions. We are pushing to the upside. On your 1 hour, we have plenty of room. We are above the 200 simple moving average, which is great. This is awesome. It means I have to be less bearish. This is fantastic. I can still be bearish because we still have this longer term downtrend, but I can be less bearish now, which feels good because I feel like I've been shorting the market non-stop for the past 2.5 weeks. I'm glad to have a long in right now. I am long on a coin and we will cover it because World Liberty Financial does hold it. So anyways, Bitcoin on the 1 hour looks pretty solid. Let's pull up the 4 hours, see what happened here. So on the 4 hour, we just retook our 50 simple moving average. Looks like we're moving up to our 100 and 200 simple moving averages. Our CCI indicator is getting a little hot, so I'm expecting a bit of consolidation tomorrow. Not like we've done much, but it's starting to move in the right direction. Checking out your daily, you can see exactly how much of nothing we have done for not only 1, 2, 3, but 4 whole days of doing literally nothing. Now we're starting to see a move to the upside, which is fantastic. So if we can get back above this 50 simple moving average on the daily, then we're really cooking. But we really do need to clear 104,472. Once we clear that, well then we are clear sailings pretty much all the way up to 134K, which would be really good for the entirety of the crypto space. Considering we're getting a major supply shock in the making, this could happen sooner than we think. It's a possibility. I'm not saying it will. Just it's a possibility. Understand. Off subject. Been working out for 10 plus years, but I'm turning 33. I noticed when I work out in the morning, it's hard for me to get going without coffee. I don't take pre-workout. Do you have any recommendations for pre-workout? Not really, because I kind of don't take pre-workouts anymore either. Instead, I take caffeine pills that are mixed with MCT oil. So it gives me a nice, steady, calm release of energy throughout the day. I get them off Amazon, but each one has 200 milligrams of caffeine in it. It's a nice little pick-me-up, and I don't have to worry about crazy amounts of calories or anything like that. Alright, so right now Bitcoin, it's looking solid. It looks like it wants to go up. I hope we don't get any whiplash. Let's go ahead and check out the liquidation heat map. So on your 24 hour, it looks like we're going up straight for this level of shorts, and it's at 98,757. We clear that. That is $43 million ready for the taking. Let's check out our weekly real quick. Let's get a really good idea of how many are going long compared to short, and then we can go from there. Sorry, caffeine pills with MCT oil. MCT oil. Okay, what's going on here? Do I not have internet anymore? Hello? Can we not get the weekly? Okay. Alright, so now it looks like we are overweight in the short department rather than the longs. This is absolutely beautiful and probably why the price is moving up because, oh man, 91 million, 83 million. But if we get up in here around that 100K mark, we're going to be getting a lot of liquidity taken out. Get your mind motivated without any substance. Your future will thank you. Grayson is right. If you can do it without any stimulant, it does help a lot. It really does. But no, I stopped with the pre-workouts because the amount of caffeine that it gives you, it's way too high. It's way too high. My heart didn't like it, so I stopped. But yeah, Grayson's right. If you can go without anything, it does help tremendously. Anyways, this is what I'm seeing out of Bitcoin. It looks good. Doesn't look bad. Looks like we're holding. Looks like we're ready to go up. I mean, these institutions, they just keep buying. Michael Saylor bought again today. It just looks good. All right, let's go ahead and check out Ethereum. Let's see what that thing's looking like. So today's list, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, TRX, Aave, Link, ENA, Ondo, Polygon, Uniswap, Comp, CRV, and Move. After that, I will be getting into all of the requests. So as I start working my way through this list, feel free, drop in whatever requests you have, and then we will go into all of them accordingly. But next up we have ETH. So for Ethereum on the daily, you can see we're starting to get some bids here. We're still in this downtrend, this local downtrend here. But if we get the breakout, we are looking for a move possibly up to $3,400. LTC got you covered. Got you covered, LTC. So we could see this thing move up pretty nicely for Ethereum. It's already on the move, up 1.17%. Let's check out your 4-hour time frame. You are just now entering the bullish control zone. This is a good sign. Now, if you can get above that 50 simple moving average, this could help greatly. I don't think all the institutions that are buying up Ethereum are wrong. That's all I'm saying here, but it looks like we could be moseying on up. Your next leg up, $3,400. Could be a very substantial move. Could be very substantial. Next up, we got TRX. So I'm not a big fan of Tron, but you know what? World Liberty Financial, they're holding it, so we might as well pay attention to it. I do believe we probably should keep going down, but hey, we're going to find out what's going on here. So looking at our 4-hour looks awful. You have hidden bearish divergence. Great. Perfect time to short this thing. Love it. World Liberty Financial, you fucked up. You bought the wrong thing. What do I mean by this? I basically mean we have a downsloping level of resistance. We can now look at this as a brand new shorting opportunity, a new downtrend starting after a steep fall, a retracement. Now we could see much more downside. When I say hidden bearish divergence, what I'm talking about is the fact that we have higher relative strength while getting lower prices. This is meaning we have a lot more leg room to fall to the downside. And of course, I'm looking for that golden ratio, the 1.618. So we would be looking for this thing to come straight down to support, sitting at 1656. Loki, hello, how you doing? Welcome in. So I'm seeing this as a possibility of 32% downside, but let's keep it in mind. There is a bullish case that we need to pay attention to. So your bullish case, if you do get a breakout to the upside, I put a safe amount. Wait, what? Oh, talking to each other. Got it. Let's see what the positive side could turn into. You could see a 45% move to the upside out of TRX if we get the golden retrace. However, this hidden bearish divergence would keep me away from trying to go long on this asset. I don't like seeing that. I really don't. But from a previous downtrend, you are technically broken out. So keep that in mind. What's up, Woozy? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. Now, let's go into Aave next. Aave next. Aave. So, Aave doing a much better job giving us a slight little bit of bullish divergence on the 4-hour. Love to see that. I'm sure you guys are like, what are you talking about, bro? You got this low right here, and then you have a significantly higher low up here, while you also had this right here. You had a low, a wick lower. There's your technical bullish divergence. Having a great night. Hope your day has been well. Day has been pretty good. Pretty darn good. Outside of being on TikTok and having people acting like I'm a Bitcoin maxi and I'm afraid of XRP, everything's been fantastic. Which I also loved when some random person called me a Bitcoin teenager, which I was like, bro, I'm turning 35. Damn, I look good for my age. Let's go! Like, I loved it. But, you know, I do find it odd when XRP Army thinks anyone in the crypto space is scared of them. I'm so confused. ADA's ripping? Is it ripping? Is it? I don't know. We're going to be checking it later. We will check it later. But right now, you can see this downtrending level of resistance. We acted as support. We are now breaking out of it once again. So I am going to get rid of this bearish case real quick. But we're going to look at a bullish case for Aave. Aave on the bullish side of things, we might see ourselves back up to $346. This is a possibility over time. We could see this thing rally up 32%. Beautiful. So this is what I'm looking at for Aave. Aave is looking pretty solid. Pretty solid. Just now entering that bullish control zone on the 4-hour. Link is coming up next. Hey, mid-30s, still with hair? I'm jealous. Yep, still got the hair. It's receding, but hey, it's there. It's there. I still have to buzz it. XRP breaking trend, I think. We're going to have to look at that. Don't worry, we will. We will. I'm okay if the price goes up. I'm just not okay with the XRP army. That's all it is. That's all it is. It's nothing against XRP, the asset. It didn't do anything. All right, checking out Link. We are getting that move to the upside. Beautiful. We already have it measured out. We're looking for that 40% upside, getting up to $26.21. We are on the move, baby. On the move. I'm actually serious. It's ripping. Very nice. We will check it out. Don't you worry, Rich. Don't you worry. It's in the lineup. All right, next up we got ENA. Actually broke it. We will check it out. Don't worry. We will check it all out. I'm here for you guys, even though I gotta wake up early. So ENA, this one actually is held by World Liberty Financial, and this is one I did post inside of the Discord, where I was basically saying, hey, if we continue seeing more strength, we could see this thing get a nice recovery, 102% move to the upside. However, we are still underneath resistance, and we have not broken out yet. So cautiously optimistic on this one. We're going to have to keep an eye on this, seeing what it does. But if the market rallies up, this might be an extremely good hold. So ENA right now, I'm looking for 99.13. 99.13 cents. Not maybe $1. Maybe $1. Get that psychological level, hit $1. Be pretty solid. All right, let's go on to Ondo next. Let's see if it still looks like trash or if it's looking like gold. Ondo. So, Ondo out here, still underneath resistance, but, hold on, we're getting a rounded bottom. Wow. Flux popping on up, breaking to the upside. Oh boy, everything is starting to recover. This is beautiful. So, let's get rid of this bearish case. Let's bring in a bullish case. If we get a break to the upside, and that's a big if because we've been getting held down non-stop. We're getting held down more than a kid that's getting a noogie. Oh man. All right, anyways, bullish case scenario right now for Ondo is for you to see $1.88, maybe even $2.03 for Ondo. It is getting accumulated like crazy by both BlackRock and World Liberty Financial. So I do believe this should have a breakout sometime soon. I was just wondering if they were going to push the price down first or not. So I was hyper bearish. Anytime we are below 137, I'm pretty bearish. We're still below it, so this is hopeful thinking, but you could see 37 to possibly 48% upside. Remember, hopeful thinking. It could go up, but also you're bearish until broken out, baby. Bearish till broken out. Do not get caught off sides. Anyways, what you're looking for is the breakout and the back test. All right, just to be clear, you're looking for that back test. Anyways, moving on from Ondo, pull, Polygon, pull. So let's check out Polygon, formerly known as Matic. It is finally starting to do something, and I would say maybe you just double bottomed, kind of, but you can see the strength roaring on up there. So let's look at this as a possible recovery. So we could see pull coming on up to 40 cents, 40, maybe 41 cents, but we are breaking out right now. 27% upside is the target I would be looking for. That is your 618 retracement, and then I'd be looking for a higher low, of course. But pull is looking pretty darn solid. You're maintaining your lows. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hopefully something like this happens again, but we will see. All right, that was 100%, more than 100% retrace. Dang. That's crazy. Anyways, let's go on to Uniswap. Actually, I realized I didn't look at Uniswap earlier today, and I should have, especially with all this bullish news on Ethereum. So I kind of let you guys down by not looking at it, and I'm sorry. But anyways, we're here now. Checking it out, we're currently up 4.5%. We are bouncing off of support at $8.15. Yay, everything finally moving. It is finally moving. It is finally moving. So we do have a measured move, and it looks like this thing is on the run right now. We could be seeing prices getting up to 12.27. So you still have a lot of room to the upside. For this, you're looking at 23% to the upside. Noted, that is based off the measure move of the fall. You could be looking at this as the possible golden retrace, which could bring you up 50%, getting back up to $14.89. So that's Uniswap right now. It's looking pretty darn solid. The problem I'm having, the biggest problem I'm having, is on your 4-hour. Currently, you are putting in hidden bearish divergence. So understand that, keep that in the back of your head, and don't get caught off guard. Could be putting in bearish divergence. Last time your relative strength was even close to this high, it was lower than this. Price was up here. So, yeah, we're going to have to start putting in some higher lows. We're going to have to do a lot of stuff and things to make this thing not look bad. Anyways, moving right along, we got Compound. So, looking at Compound, you are well on the move. Looks like, what did I have posted here? Oh, yeah, that happened. That definitely happened. Oh, boy. That was a perfect show. Oh my god, it went way further than expected. Anyways, let's not focus in on that. Let's focus in on the golden retrace that looks like is underway. So let's pull this right on down here. And we could be seeing... Why is it right... Oh, I don't need it that high. Right here. That's what I'm looking for. So we could see price come up to $73.45. So this is our golden retrace, another 23% for comp, and you are well on the move right now, but you're entering overbought territory. I would be looking for a retrace and a higher low. Just my personal thoughts. It could keep running, of course. Of course it could. But a back test would be nice. You could come all the way back down to 47.65, and it would be normal. It would be completely normal. So, moving along, we got CRV. That's why you my guy, Porky. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. But let's go ahead and check out CRV. So CRV right now, what are we doing? It is starting to go to the upside. Bullish case is starting to play out. Beautiful. We are looking for 78.33 on this one. We can get rid of this bearish case. We don't have to worry about it quite as much. Hidden bearish on the 4-hour on most coins pumping. Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. So we gotta stay on our toes out here. Just because we're seeing a little bit of a pump right now doesn't mean we're out of the woods. We still gotta start making those higher lows. But right now, this thing looks like it's on the move. I'm going to be looking for CRV getting up to 72.18, maybe even 78.33. We will then see what happens from there. But this looks absolutely beautiful. You have started your run. Beautiful. All right, moving along, and yeah, you're about to put in that hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hour right here as well. So we'll have to see how it pans out. Remember, you can cancel it out by price retracing a little bit and creating a higher high on your relative strength, and then you don't have to worry about the hidden bearish divergence. So keep that in mind as well. Keep that in mind. Anyways, moving on, we got Move, and this is my current trade right now. So Move USDT. This is the last one in my list, and then we're getting into all of your requests. So right now we're currently up 3%, and we are looking for the golden retrace, getting back up to 73.67. Currently we did have bullish divergence on the 4-hour, and we are getting our breakout right now. So this is why I jumped in there. Market makers, some sneaky motherfuckers. They always are. They always are. But you know, they can only suppress prices for so long. Just so you guys know, on this trade, I'm going to show you it right here. We are currently up. Come on. So we are currently up 35% on the trade, and it is moving in the right direction. So there you go. And my target is at 73.67. Let's hope I don't get stopped out while we're sleeping, because yeah, it could happen. Could happen. Always stay vigilant, kids. Always stay vigilant. Now, getting into the first request, we got MGC1. MGC1 for James. What? I guess it's just MCG Micro Gold Futures? Okay. Let's check it out on the weekly. Weekly, you look cooked. You look cooked. You're going to be looking for a bit of a retracement because you are overextended. You are definitely overextended. Let's check out your daily. Daily's overextended as well. So you are basically looking for, is this thing going to pull back down to 2,756, or are you going to trade sideways? We don't know right now. We just know we have a wick on the daily, kind of resembling a shooting star. So there is a possibility gold takes a little break while Bitcoin runs. We could see gold retrace up to 6.3%. Would not be the strangest thing in the world because Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are pumping. And it does seem like they like to take turns. Normally what would happen is Bitcoin would run, stock market would run, gold would follow. Now it looks like gold took the lead. So, yeah, they're just playing a different game this time. Just playing a different game. Quite a gap there. I mean, little bit of a gap right here, actually. So, if you do just touch the gap, you're looking at 27.76. Anyways, that is what I'm seeing out of gold futures. Let's go ahead and check out ABT. ABT. Oh, I feel like this stream's going to go a lot more smooth because I don't have to say a bunch of terrible things the whole time. Like, dude, we're going into zero. What are you talking about? You know? But ABT, looks like you did retrace a little bit from last night, but it looks like with the market, it's trying to rally on up. Yo, what's up, Ziff? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. So right now, we're looking for 71% upside move based off of the falling wedge. This one is a pretty simple look, so that's what I'm seeing. Very simple. Very simple. Because you're sitting right at entry. You just have a stop loss probably down below 845 because you'd expect, even if you do fall down, you'd find support on the supply line. Also, based off the daily, the supply line's wrong. Great. Awesome. Love that. There you go. Render thoughts. We'll check it out. How's your day going? Day's all good. Day is all good. I just... earlier today, I had to deal with some people on TikTok, but no big deal. No big deal. You ever talk about their XRP, they get mad. They get real mad, and I laugh because they have multiple products. It is what it is. I got a request for you on Discord. Was that you? No, that wasn't me. I will never message you guys first on Discord, ever. So, yeah, just report the scammers. Just report them. Not trying to get handled, right? Hacked? Yeah, no. They're scammers. Don't worry about that. Just report them and move on. It is terrible what they do. It is terrible. But yeah, so DZ, hopefully this helped you out with ARC Block, 71% upside. Enjoy the ride because it is a falling wedge. Market's moving up. You're thinking it's going to start flying. That's the thought. Just keep that stop loss in place. Don't get caught off guard, buddy. Friend request? Yeah, that wasn't me either. I don't even answer friend requests, honestly. So okay, I appreciate you. No problem. No problem. DGen is next. DGen. Looks like we're getting that move to the upside. Oh boy. Oh boy. 10,000 a coin? Thought? No. Thanks, dude. No problem, DZ. So, DGen, for the people, on your daily, you are dragging your nuts on the ground. You couldn't get any lower. You did not, and I repeat, did not touch support. So that part kind of worries me a little bit. You never touched it. However, this local downtrend, you're broken out of it. You're now in full play to go and test some resistance. Good morning, Porky. Can you check BNX? Yeah, we'll check out some BNX for you. BNX. Got you covered, brother. Doge, got you covered. Got you covered, Doge. Alrighty, so on your daily, everything looks fine for DGen. On your 4-hour time frame, what do we got here? We got, oh, did we get it? Oh, shit. We got bullish divergence on the 4-hour, and we got our higher low. Let's freaking go, baby. Alright, so we can look for a measured move. Measured move to the upside. We are looking for resistance. You still have 44% upside potential here. This is just now entering into the bullish control zone. There is a possibility they're about to start sending DGen up. That's great. Dragging nuts on the ground never gets old. Hey man, it is what it is. It was dragging. It's like old man balls. It's like, damn, bro, you don't got to catch all that dust. Anyways, moving along, we got Congo. Congo. So checking out Congo. Oh god, dang it, no, this one. All right, Congo is Adam Eve double bottom situation on the 4-hour. Not bad, not bad. We're above resistance. That's really good. So we'd be looking for the retracement, that golden retracement. We're going to be looking for a 5093327. So Congo right now, what I would be aiming at is the 81% move to the upside. XRP holders on TikToks always gives me a laugh. Bro, they get crazy. They honestly get crazy. I mean, they acted as if I was a Bitcoin maxi because I read news. So everything you guys see on the shorts, those are my TikToks. So then it's like, oh, somebody called me a Bitcoin maxi teenager. And I was like, do I look that good? I looked at my high school yearbook after that, I swear. And I was like, nah, I was way better as a teenager. Shit. Homie trying to put me down, but hey, I'm almost 35, calling me a teenager, I love it. Anyways, yeah, I guess a lot of the new XRP people don't understand Ripple has 4 separate products that they actually sell to banks, and you know, that's kind of sad. It's kind of sad because only one of them requires them to use XRP, and that is the X Rapid. If you're not using X Rapid, you don't have to use XRP. In order to operate in the ecosystem, you only have to hold 20 XRP tokens. And noted, that's holding it. That's to facilitate a transaction fee, I guess. And that is the unwithdrawable amount. Which I was like, wow, that's actually news to me. Didn't realize that. But, you know, 20 tokens right now, not very expensive. I don't think that's going to drive the price of XRP up. But, I digress. So, looking at this on Congo, I'm looking for 81% upside, getting you up to that 509,327 level. So, good luck on Congo. Looks like you do have the opportunity of greatness if you can bypass this hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hour. We will see. We will see. So, let's move along. We got B3. B3. Where would we have the most data? Probably Gate.io, right? Okay, B3 is brand new? What? Oh my gosh. Where's my data? That's the most data. Right there. Oh my goodness. Gotta be optimistic. Yeah, that's true. In a way, XRP audience is insane. Organic shills will spend it pretty well. We'll send it pretty well, as much as I hate the project. I mean, they can, but it's just like, why would you? It's kind of like it. They push the narrative to the point where it's dangerous, you know, because they're selling a dream at that point. Like XRP to 60,000 a coin, XRP to 10,000 a coin. You're selling a dream. You're not being realistic. There's 100 billion tokens. They need to burn so much. Long time no see, man. I hope you're doing well. CT, welcome back. Doing really good. Really good. How are you? How's Alaska treating you? Mine doing quick TA on BCH. Gotcha. BCH. Alright, we will check it out for you. Alright, so, I mean, I can't really get levels on B3. Just understand, I'm doing my best here. There's only so much I can do because there's no data. But you're sitting on support, I guess. If you lose that level of support, you got 483, maybe? I don't know. Dreams make people broke. Exactly. Exactly. Dreams do make people broke. They make them really broke. It is terrible. You hit your 886 retracement and you pulled back. Oh, goodness. Let's go into our 1 hour because now we're looking at a downtrend. Yikes. You are now in a downtrend. Officially. I guess. You guys trying to have me do TA on these new coins? God, it's hard, man. It's hard. Been a nice winter, more icy, less snowy. Wait, that means nice? What? I feel like that would be worse. So, if the sell pressure continues, can I look at ski, please? All right, Gold Mike, I got you. Ski. If the sell pressure continues, if it just keeps on going, even though the market's going up, we could see ourselves all the way down here, 46% to the downside. And noted, this is very possible because this looks like the pump from it getting listed on Coinbase, and now you're selling off. But that's your bearish case. Looking at it on a bullish side, if you get bullish, you could see this thing rally up to that golden retrace, because guess what you just did and you're finding support on? It's that 50% retrace. So this thing definitely could rally on up to 9172. So you could see this thing go crazy. B3 64% upside is a possibility. Depends on how you look at it, man. Been sunny for like 2 weeks straight. Damn, are you able to get sleep? That's my question. Not a great idea to ape new projects, especially right now. That's true. That is true. But hey, B3, I'm just doing what I can based off the info that I have. And positive side, you could go up 64. Negative side, I mean, I'll see you down low. Down way low. Anyways, that's what I'm seeing out of B3. Let's move on to the XRP. XRP. Actually, it was even worse on TikTok. Somebody tried to mention to me that XRP and Stellar Lumens was backed by gold and silver. And I was like, I'm sorry. No, it's not. You are mistaken. No, it is not. Not even close. The only thing backed by gold technically is Pax Gold. That is it. Nothing else. So, yeah, it was interesting having to correct that person, but, knowing that that's a narrative that can get thrown around like that, it's pretty rough. It's pretty rough. Yeah, the sun is only out for like 8 hours now because we passed winter solstice, but it goes down around 6-ish right now. Oh, dang. That's crazy. Can we do a XRP-TA until price gets to 589? Oh, God. That's terrible. XRP becoming the black swan of this cycle. It is moving up. I don't think it's a black swan. I think it's more of the surprisingly like ugly duckling that's turning into a beautiful swan. But you right now have a possibility of XRP going up to $3.42. That is a very strong possibility. Even if it's a bearish backtest, you could rally on up to 371. If you break to the upside of this rising wedge, well, very easily, I'll see you at $4.40. Very easily, I'll see you up there. But, oh, wait, I have a different chart on this. Hold on. I have a different chart on this. So right here, we have this as a symmetrical triangle. We got to break to the upside. 27% upside. $3.12 is in play right now for XRP. You got that move to the upside. Noted, you also could find yourself going up a tremendous amount based off this chart here. So let's take the downside out of here. Noted, that 27%, that looks like the most likely play. We come up here, we wick in, then we still have the possibility of falling. That looks most likely. But let's say we stay bullish. Based off our newer high up here, we could be seeing this thing rally up to $5.23 based off the newer high. Keep in mind, you have bearish divergence on the daily. You did enter the bearish control zone, and it does look like selling pressure is starting to cool off, and we're about to see what they can do to the upside. But yeah, Cass is making very much needed move. Did we look at it yet? No, we have not. Are you asking for Cass? Are you asking for it? Because we could check it out, Rich. No, XRPTA till 589. I mean, that would be a wishful thinking, but we'll see. Anyways, I'm still completely in the camp. Even though we could see more upside, I'm still completely in the camp. We should come back down to 58 cents, and that's solely because we never back tested it. So if we start going into more downside anywhere in the near future, yeah, this could look like a lower high, and then we roll right on over and we start seeing these much lower prices. So until we start clearing the highs and we can get rid of all of that idea, I'm still gonna think we can go down. You know you want to. Sui is automatic 10x. The strength is crazy. I don't know about automatic, but I would agree. It could 10x, possibly even more. I guess we can check out Sui as well. But let's move along from XRP. XRP right now wouldn't be a surprise if it gets back up to $3. Keep that in mind. XRP does have the strength right now. Your 15-minute is a little on the overbought side, but it could still keep rallying. So don't let that deter you from your dreams, XRP army. Don't let it deter you. Anyways, move along. We have CAS. So checking out Caspa here. Also a reminder, everyone, tomorrow is going to be the members only chat as well as subscribers on Twitch. Everybody will be able to view the live stream, but you will not be able to chat or give me your requests unless you are a member here on YouTube or a subscriber on Twitch. Alright, so the bullish case happens to be playing out. We are looking for CAS to get up here to 119771 or even as high as 144321. So Caspa is doing a great job with its breakout. I would love to see a back test and hold of support. Otherwise, we will look at more downside. But Caspa is looking pretty solid. Pretty darn solid. Checking it out on the 4-hour, you are doing the same thing. You're putting in that hidden bearish divergence at the moment. Let's hope this thing keeps on running. Just keep on running, little doggy. So let's get rid of this bearish case right now because we are back above a level of resistance. Hopefully it starts acting as support. Hopefully. Anyways, Caspa, looking good. Looking good. I like being able to say things look good. Alright, ADA is next. And noted, ADA has a reason for pumping right now. You have Grayscale that has applied for a ETF on ADA Cardano. So currently in play, you could see it going up to $1.02. You still have... Oh no. You still have 29% to the upside that ADA could rally. So this is absolutely beautiful. Let's see if it can do it. However, you are getting a bit cooked on the 4-hour time frame, and you're making a lower high. Let's hope you can clear that high. just clear the high, damn it, because otherwise this is major hidden bearish divergence, and you don't want that to play out, because then I'll see you at 36 cents, possibly even at 21 cents if that plays out. That would be really bad. Do they have a trust? I don't know if they have a trust. Normally they do. So if the ETF does get approved, expect the sell pressure from Grayscale. Just expect it. Alright, let's move right along. We have LTC. Litecoin, which noted, Litecoin, it's like the prettiest girl at prom. I mentioned yesterday we could move up that 13%. Guess what? We hit that first target. We hit the target. What I'm going to be looking for right now out of Litecoin, get a back test. You're overbought on the 4-hour. Come back down. Hit either 119, 118, or even 113. Get that support that you need. Hold it. And then we can start talking about way higher prices. You could find yourself at 197 on that next leg up. You could even find yourself at $280 on LTC Litecoin. Noted, they also are in the running for a spot ETF. So looks like the hype is coming back for the brand new spot ETFs. Now, moving along, we got Render. Render, bullish case starting to play out. 44% move to the upside. You're currently contending with resistance. What you really need to do is keep on going. Just keep pushing on, Render. Otherwise, it's going to get real ugly real fast. Because that hidden bearish divergence is a real son of a bee. You know what I mean? Anyways, you're looking at another 33% upside. But if you're going to go up, you might as well hit some resistance. 40% upside is extremely possible for Render right now. keep that in mind. It's looking pretty darn solid. But yeah, if we just pull these fibs right here, you're almost lined up perfectly with that overhead resistance. So we're looking for another 40% move to the upside. Not bad for render. All right, BNX, we got to test this thing for steroids as well as radiation because this thing's moving like the Hulk. BNX, for some reason, it just can't be stopped. Just can't be stopped. It just keeps on going. I was looking to short it and I couldn't. But anyways, so this thing is moving and chugging and bustling along with massive bearish divergence. I mean, I don't even know if it's going to try to hit 85 cents or not, because that bearish divergence is just screaming at the top of its lungs like, ah! You do have your 200 daily moving average sitting at 78.79. I would guess at this point, go test it. It would also help you out with being higher than this wick high, which would negate any idea of that hidden bearish divergence on the daily. If you do get the hidden bearish divergence on the daily, you are all but certain to get that nice, juicy 886 retracement from low to high, which if that does play out, oh boy, are you coming down bad, because you're looking at 20 cents. That would be a 50-cent decline. That would be so awful if the hidden bearish divergence actually comes into play. Can you check out VET? Yes, we can. VET. So BNX right now, it really does need to clear this high by testing the 200 daily moving average. That would be ideal. And then you could look for a nice little 50% retrace, maybe back test a little bit of support. That would be nice. But if you decide to make a lower high than this high and turn around, oh boy, you are going down bad. So, could be crazy. It looks manipulated. Well, this is just kind of what happens on these illiquid coins. Some random dude in his basement was probably like, oh wow, it's at a buying zone. Let me buy it all up because we're making our all-time lows. So of course, you just get this skyrocketing price. Just kind of happens with these illiquid little S coins. Is what it is. Is what it is. All right, moving along, we have Doge. Dogecoin. So Dogecoin on the daily, you have held above the 200 daily moving average. You're getting that break to the upside. Beautiful rounded bottom on the daily. That's real nice. Real nice like. God damn it. So we did not have bullish divergence. We did have technical hidden bullish divergence on the rounded bottom. So that's really nice. The only thing that bothers me is we did not touch 18 cents. That kind of sucks, but oh well, we're looking to recover, so who cares? Anyways, on the recovery right now, we could see Dogecoin coming up to 34,597. 34,597, which would be slightly higher than your 50 daily moving average. And you know what? It would be a bearish backtest on the 100 simple moving average on the daily. This makes the most sense in my opinion, but that is 31% upside and staying bearish. So, yeah, this looks pretty decent. I'm not mad about it. You definitely had some bullish div right here, and now you're starting to run. Beautiful. Bitcoin needs to start doing something before my life starts looking like Squid Games. I mean, that's fair, Big Mac. That's fair. We're going to be out here playing red light, green light, just hoping for the best. Hell, might even go blindfolded. Anyways, Dogecoin, I could see it going up 31%. If you end up hitting resistance at 27.9 and roll over, 18 cents is your target. So we'll see what Doge does, but if the market's up, it's going to be up. BCH for CT is next. Don't worry, CT, I still got you. I didn't forget. All right, BCH, moving on up. We are looking for the bullish case scenario here, getting up to $408. That'll actually be phenomenal, but that will be a formal back test of your previous supply line, so we're going to have to wait and see what happens at that point. But right now, no hidden bearish divergence to speak of at the moment. Looking at your daily, this is coinciding with a bearish back test of your 200 daily moving average. So right now, I do see this playing out to the upside. Let's get rid of all this bearish stuff, and let's focus in on how much more meat you got on the bone. We got about 20% left, getting up to the $408 level. We will see what it does from there. If you can break 450, that'll be way better. Way better. Noted you still have a downtrend as well that you're going to be contesting with. So there's a, oh wow, that lines up perfect with that downtrend too. That's surprising. Didn't expect that. But once we hit that downtrend, we will see what kind of consolidation we get and then hope for the best. Or we're just going to bend down, put our head between our legs, and kiss our ass goodbye. Because this could fall tremendously after that. Anyways, let's move right along. We have Ski. So Ski Mask Dog. We looked at this one yesterday. I bet that it's about ready to do something, and it looks about ready to do something. So once you do get the breakout, this one's really simple because you're just consolidating your titties off. You could first see a breakout going up to 15,100, which is nice. You are deep in that bearish control zone, but if you get the breakout, positive back test, you are looking to move up 179%, getting your price all the way up to 34,963. So Ski Mask, you're still in the consolidation range. Don't jump into it too early. Wait for the breakout. Wait for the back test. I appreciate your time and effort. No problem, CT. I'm always here. I said I'd be here every day for the bull market, and by Jimmy John, I'm freaking here, damn it. Anyways, let's move into the next one, which is Suey. I just got a text. Who's texting me? Who texted me? Oh, I do have to wake up early tomorrow. Great. I remember spotting Ski Mask at 200 market cap. Rip. Yeah, it is what it is, man. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Anyways, moving along, we have Suey. So the Suey. Let's see what we're doing here. It probably looks good. It does. We made that 9% move to the upside, and we are breaking out. So let's get rid of all this bearish stuff. Let's see what we could do. Here's our downtrending level of resistance right here. We're about to be testing this demand line. Beautiful. So if we can break this downtrend, let's see what our golden retrace is, which I'm feeling like we're close to it. Dang, we're really close to that golden retrace right now. $3.54, basically 55 cents. That is your golden retrace. That is the area in which I personally would be looking at this thing to go, and then possibly start trying to backtest something. But if things go really well, we might see you back up to $4.22, bearishly backtesting the 50 simple moving average on the daily. Let's go ahead and check out our 4-hour. Let's see what we're working with. 4-hour is showing amazing, absolute amazing hidden bearish divergence right now. So you are really hoping this thing clears this high, sitting at $3.90. If it doesn't, well, I hope you enjoy sunburns and Valhalla because, whoo! It's going to be hot down there. You're going into Hades. Anyways, yeah, we're going to see what this thing does. But if it decides to get real buck wild out here, you could see it rally all the way up to $5.41. However, I would look at it more like this, where I would be looking for that 484 if this is to be real. So we'll see. We will see. But 484 is in play if this thing does break out and do the normal suey things that it likes to do. 40% upside is possible. So let's go ahead and move on. We got VeChain and the final request of the evening. So VET. Oh, don't get it twisted with BET. This is the one with the not black people. They have a different color tinted skin. Anyways, we have confirmed breakout, confirmed backtest, holding support, bullish divergence. Oh my god. Everything looks beautiful for this thing to try to move up. However, you fell a little bit too far. So what we're going to look at is the golden retrace first. We are going to be looking for 463 as the retracement level. So we're looking for this 30% move to the upside on VET. We will see how it goes. If you fail, if the market makers decide to take a nice big old poopy on your chest and you have no wet wipes to get it off, I'll see you at 2199. I'll see you down there. So is a hot senior you had a crush on. Wait, what? What grade am I in? What grade am I in? I'm just wondering. Because, you know, I found out my senior year when I got asked to prom way too early. I could have had the hot senior. I could have had both of them. But no. No. I said I was going stag. Said I was doing that. Actually, I'll take it back. My school was filled with a bunch of good-looking girls. I live in a great place. Southern California, it is a good place to grow up. Especially every summer when I went to go visit my dad, and all of a sudden he's like, oh, look at that honey over there. And I'm like, Dad, that is a 6 at best on her best day when the sun is hitting her right. Are we serious? And he's like, what? And then I see a girl, I'm like, oh, she looks good. He's like, son, she's unapproachable. What are you talking about? I was like, she's like an 8. What do you mean? Southern California compared to most other places, it's just a cheat code. It's just not fair. You're desensitized. It's like you get to live in the Instagram model realm. It's weird. Anyways, yeah, so it looks like the trade's still going well. Looks like the market is green right now. Let's hope we don't wake up to a bunch of redness and terribleness as if, you know, your wife or significant other had a bad dream that you cheated on her. Now she treats you weird for a week. Let's hope that doesn't happen. So let's stay hopefully cautiously optimistic that we will see better days. Anyways, guys, no more requests. I'm going to get on out of here. We killed it in this stream. Only an hour. That's beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and watch some YouTube videos. I'm going to look up some research. Also, I'm going to start a AI generated book. Wish me luck on that. It's going to be all the random thoughts that happen up here, and I'm going to put it in audio book form. And when I create the YouTube channel, you can listen to it. I will let you all know if you want to see the weirdest things that I could think of in a story. I feel like it's a good concept, but we'll see. Have a good night. I will. Thank you, Ziff. Hopefully you all have a great night as well. I will catch you later. Take it easy. Deuces. Also, keep your stop losses tight. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are the best. I'll see you for members only night tomorrow. If you're not a part of the Discord, join the Discord. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. I'm out of here. Deuces.